How to take a screenshot on Windows 11. There are two easy ways to take a screenshot in Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Using keyboard shortcut. The first method to take a screenshot in Windows 11 is pressing Windows key plus print screen key together on the keyboard. This shortcut captures a screenshot of your entire screen and automatically saves it to the screenshots folder in your pictures directory. To access your screenshot, you can open this PC and navigate to Pictures folder. Then open the screenshot folder to find your screenshot. Method 2. Using built-in app. The second method to take a screenshot in Windows 11 is by using the Snipping tool. The Snipping tool is a built-in app in Windows that allows you to capture any part of your screen. To use the Snipping tool, you can search for it in the search menu and then type in Snipping tool. Once you open the Snipping tool, click on New. Or you can also press the Windows key, Shift key, S key together to capture the screenshot and select the area of the screen you want to capture. You can then save, edit and share the screenshot as you wish. And that's how you can take a screenshot on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.